MeghalayaPost.news. Conrad ke sangma Menteri Rangba Kajala rengkat ubak Prestone tensong sembut Menteri Rangba jong Kajala kilalek sakanong ba New Delhi na kabanta ban Kynduh Heh Sorkar Menteri Heh Sorkar Pdeng badai pet na kabanta ki jaj ban riurit pa kata na kabanta ban kerpar yu baudai ban penlong Shwa ya kajing keren ne yatai ka bakham janai lempat ki kenhun baper kata Shwa ban Mynjur ban penlong an ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arrajar arpun riu ka an ka bante perking ya kinu ki kenhun ki bayo jing rap pisana ki weipat kiri ha ka Haba crunch kila pathai kubor menta kasingi hanong ba shillong Conrad ke sangma uloong bah kajing Kynduh bat ukiran rijiju ula kentui Heh Sorkar Pdeng bakadai ban penlong ya kajing selong bat kitu kinung yo benta kata ban penkala ya ki katu kani ki kendon ki badon kam ha ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arajar apun riu Shwa ban Mynjur ka namar ki sngukia halor ki katu kani ki kendon ha ka tega bill namar ki don ki kendon ki bala ailat ban kurup ya ki jingdon jing em ne ki mar ki mata da ki briu jong kaan kanong rem kabla penlong ya ki kinung yalam jong Sorkar bakindan Kynduh Heh Sorkar Pdeng kalong namar bakidon kajing sngukya halor ka hoklong trai mantrai jong ki jaka puli boper bat khamtam ha ki jaka puli bapnya de ki balang Kristan.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA investment bill, and we expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill, especially section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it, but there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned. And we raised the issue and we requested the Honorable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honorable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns. And we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be made.
MeghalayaPost.news